Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to lock your Chime card. It's going to be a quick video, so there are just two methods to do this. Let's get into it. Now the first method is locking your card through the Chime app, and the first thing you want to do here is to open the Chime app on your mobile device, then log into your account using your username and your password, then tap on the card or debit card tab, and then you want to tap on lock card or locked or unlock card, and then you want to confirm that you want to lock that card, and that's it. It'll be done. Now the second method is locking the card through the Chime website. Now here you also need to first log into your Chime account on the website, then click on your name or profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. Then you want to select account settings or card settings from the drop down menu, then click on the lock card or unlock card button. Then you got to confirm that you want to lock your card, and just like that you have two methods how to lock your card on Chime. That's pretty much it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, please leave a like and comment down below. Let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, and please don't forget to ring the notification bell so you never miss another one of our videos in the future. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.